We are now studying power theory. How we are studying, take a pencil, let's start. Now, power theory. It is nothing but it is shared the power among the three form of government: legislative, executive, and judiciary. We also studied these things in class 9. We also noted. So I start this one first. An intelligent sharing of power among legislative, executive, and judiciary is very important to design of democracy. The next two chapters, we carry this idea of power sharing forward. We start with two stories of Belgium, Sri Lanka. Both the stories are about how democracy handle demand for power sharing. The story has some general conclusion about need of power sharing, democracy. This allows us to discuss various forms of power sharing that will be taken up the following two chapters. Now we started Belgium and Sri Lanka. Belgium is a very small country in Europe. It is a little over 1 crore population. It is little over just smaller country. The state of Haryana, it is very small. It has a border with France, Netherlands, Jumbo, Luxembourg, and Germany. Its population of little over 1 crore, about half the population of Haryana. The eating composition of the country is very complex. Of a country total population, 59% live in a Flemish region, speak Dutch, but 40% live in a Wallonia region, speak French. The remaining 1% speak German. In the capital of the city Brussels, it was 80% speak French and 20% speak Dutch speaking. The majority speaking people's community was relatively rich. They are very rich. Who got a benefit of social discrimination. This was resented by the Dutch speaking community who got a benefit of economic development much later and education also much later. This due to tension between Dutch speaking and French speaking communities during 1950 to 1960s. The tension between two communities was more acute in the Brussels, the capital of the Belgium. But the Brussels present a special problem. The Dutch-speaking community constitute a majority in the country but a minority in the capital. Let us compare to this situation in other countries. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island nation, just a few kilometers coast of the Tamil Nadu. Yeah, right. It has about 2 crore people, so the same as in Haryana, like Haryana. Other than South Asia, Sri Lanka is also a diverse population. The major group of Sinhala speakers is 74%. Sinhala speakers 74%, 18% Tamil speakers. Tamil natives are known as Sri Lankan Tamils. The rest who further come from Indian as a literature label, they are known as Indian Tamils, colonial period. As you see from the map, Sri Lankan Tamils are constructed in the north and the east of the country. Most of the Sinhala speakers are Buddhist. Most of the Sinhala speakers are Buddhist. It is remembered Buddhist. SPB. Most Sinhala speakers are Buddhist. 7% are both speakers Tamil and the Sinhala. And Buddhist, while the most of Tamils are Hindus, most of Tamils are Hindus and Muslims. Just imagine what could happen if Belgium, the Dutch community could take advantage of the majority both due the French and German-speaking population. This would push the conflict among the community further. This could lead the very massive portion of the country both sides would be claim control over the region. In Sri Lanka, the Sinhala community enjoyed an even biggest majority and could impose its entire country. Now let us look at what happened in both these countries. Sri Lanka emerged as an independent majorityism in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka emerged as an independent in 1948. The leaders of the Sinhala community got secured the majority. As a result, democratic elected government adopted a majorityism measures to establish Sinhala supremacy. In 1956, after the 8-year Act was passed, a region Sinhala has taken as official language, discrediting Tamils. The government followed a preferential policy that favored Sinhala speakers for university position. Government jobs, new constitution stipulated that countries are protect the foster Buddhism, foster all the government measures coming one after the gradually increase the feeling of alienation among Sri Lankan people. They feel that none of the major political parties led by the Buddhist Sinhala leaders who were sensitive to their language and culture. They feel that constitution and that government policies denied them equal policy, discrimination against them, getting jobs, other opportunities, and ignored their interests. As a result, relation between Sinhala and Tamil communities strained over time. They are very strained over time. The Sri Lankan Tamils launched parties and struggled for recognition of Tamil as an official language. Sri Lankan Tamils launched a party. They are launching their parties for the region, autonomy and equality of the opportunity, securing education, jobs. They are launched parties for their securing and jobs. Regions autonomy, equality of opportunity, secure education, job. But their demand for more autonomy was provided. Population by the Tamil were respectively denied. They are denied it. By the 1980s, several political organizations were formed demanding an independent Tamil alien state. In 1980, they are demanding independent Tamil state in northeast part of the Sri Lanka. This, this the dispute between the two communities turned into the widespread conflict. It soon turned into civil war. The 1980, several political organizations were formed demanding an independent Tamil state in the north and east part of the Sri Lankan Tamil, northern and eastern part of the Sri Lankan Tamil. The distribution between the two communities turned into widespread conflict. It soon into civil war. As a result, thousands of people of both communities have been killed. They are taken as a civil war, just like it's very not a good thing. Many families were forced to leave a country as a refugee. Many have more lost their livelihood. Many families were forced to leave the country as a refugee. Many more lost their livelihood. You read in chapter 1 of economic textbook about Sri Lanka excellent record of economic development, education, health. Sri Lanka has an excellent record of economic development, education, health, but the civil war caused a terrible stay back to social, cultural, and economic life of the country. It ended in 2009. Oh my god. It started in 1990 and it did in 2009 after the 5 years. Accommodation in Belgium. The Belgian leaders took a different path. They recognized the existence of regional differences and cultural distractives. Now we are studying accommodation in Belgium. The Belgian leaders took a different path. They recognized the existence of regional differences and cultural differences. Diversities between 1970s and 1930s. They recognize it. The Belgian leaders took a different path. They are not taking just like they recognize the extent of these regional differences and cultural diversities between 1970s and 1993. They amended their constitution 4 times so as to work out arrangement that could enable everyone to live together within the same country. Belgium leaders took a different path. They are not took just like Sri Lanka. They recognize the existence of regional differences and cultural diversities. Between 1970s and 1993, they amended their constitution 4 times. Between 1972 to 1993, remember 1970, 1970, 1993, 1993. They have amended their constitution 4 times. So that everyone should live together within the same country. The arrangement they work out different from others country. The arrangement they work out different from the other country and very innovative. They are very innovative, different from the other country and very innovative. They are some of the elements of Belgium model. Constitution prescribed that the Number of Dutch and French speaking ministers shall be equal in the central government. They are equal. French and Dutch speaking are equal in the government. Support their majority. Some constitution prescribe that the number of Dutch and French speaking minorities shall be equal in the central government. Some special laws are required to support majority of members each language group. No single committee can make decision unilaterally. Constitution prescribe that number of Dutch and French speaking ministers shall be equal in the central government. Some special laws required to the support of majority of the members. Each linguistic group, majority of members from it, thus no single committee can make decisions unilaterally. The Constitution prescribed that number of Dutch and French speaking ministers shall be equal in central government. Some special law required the support of majority of the members from each legislative group. Thus no single committee can make decisions unilaterally. Constitution prescribed that number of Dutch French speaking ministers shall be equal in central government. French or Dutch they are equal in the government. Some special law required to support a majority of the members from each linguistic group. There's no single community can be make a decision unilaterally. Many power of the central government have been given to state government of two regions of the country. Many powers are given to the two regions, the state of the government. Many powers central government have been given to state. Central government give to the state government to regions of the country. These state government are not a subordinate to the central government. Many powers of central government have been given to state government, the two regions of the country. The state government are not a subordinate to the central government. Many powers also given to the central government. Many powers of the central government are given to state government, the two regions of the country. State government are a subordinate of the central government. State government are not a subordinate to the central government. Brussels has a speak government in which both the community have equal representation. Brussels has a separate government. Brussels has a separate government in which both the community have equal representation. The French-speaking peoples are accepted equal representation. Brussels become the Dutch-speaking community has accepted equal representation in the central government. Brussels has a separate government in which both the community have equal representation. Brussels has separate government in which both the community have equal representation. Both the country has equal representation. The French-speaking people accepted equal representation in Brussels. Become the Dutch-speaking community has accepted equal representation in the central government. Brussels has separate government in which both the community have equal representation. The French-speaking people accepted equal representation in Brussels. Become the Dutch-speaking community has accepted equal representation in the central government. Apart from the central, it's a separate government. Community have equal representation in which both the community have equal representation. The French-speaking people accepted equal representation in Brussels. Become the Dutch-speaking community has accepted equal representation in the central government. Apart from central and state government, there is a third kind of government. Apart from the central and state government, there is also a third kind of government. This community government, elected by the people, belongs to one language community, Dutch, French, and German speaking, no matter where they live. Apart from central government, state government, there is a third kind of government. This community government is elected by the people, belongs in one language community, Dutch, French, and German speaking, no matter where they live. The government has the power regarding culture, education, and language related issue. Apart from the central government and state government, there is a third kind of government. This community government is elected by the people, belongs to the three languages, German, Dutch, and French, no matter where they live. Government has the power to regarding culture, education, and language related issues. educational, cultural, language related issue. You might find the Belgium model very complicated. It is indeed is very complicated even for the people living in the Belgium. But their arrangements have worked well so far. They help to avoid a civic threat between the two major communities and possible division of the country on the linguistic lines. When many countries of the Europe come together to form the government, Union Brussels was chosen as the headquarters. Union Brussels was chosen as a headquarters. Union Union chosen as a headquarters. What to learn from these two stories? Belgium and Sri Lanka. Both are democracy. Both are democratic. Yet they deal with the equation power sharing differently. In Belgium, the leaders have released that the country possible only by spending feelings and interest in different communities and regions, such as relations result in the mutually acceptable arrangement for the sharing power sharing. Sri Lanka has saw us a contraction example. It saw us that if a majority of community want to force its dominance over others and refuse to share power, it can undermine the unity of the country. Why power sharing is desirable? There is different state of regions can give by the favor power sharing. Firstly, power sharing is good because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. Power sharing is good because it helps reduce the possibility of the conflict between social groups. Power sharing is good because it helps reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. Power sharing is good because it helps reduce the possibility of the conflict between social groups. Power sharing is because it helps to reduce the conflict between social groups. Power sharing is good because it reduces the possibility of conflict between social groups. ठीक है? These are social conflict leaders who violence and political instability. Power sharing good will ensure the stability of political orders. These social conflict often lead to the violence. Social conflict often lead to the violence. Social conflict violence भी बदल सकता है. And political instability power sharing is a good way to ensure the stability of political order. Stability of the political order. Power sharing is a good way to ensure the stability of the political order. Impose the will majority community over others may look like an attractive opinion in the short run, but in the long run, it is undermines the unity of the nation. Terrain of the majority is not a just or oppressive for the majority. If often bring run to the majority as well as there is a deeper reason why power sharing is good for democracy. Power sharing is very spirit of democracy. Power sharing is very spirit of democracy. A democracy is ruled. A democratic rule involves sharing power with those affected by the exercise and who have to live with the effects. People have right to conclude on how they are to be governed as a legitimate government is one where citizens through participation acquire a stake in the system. Let us call the first set of reason prudential and second moral. Reasons are prudential and second moral, while the prudential reasons stress that the power share will bring a better outcome. Moral reasons implies very act power sharing the belief. Why we read it again? Why power sharing is desirable? Power sharing is good because it helps in reduce the possibility of conflict with social groups. And there is a second deeper reasons why power sharing is good for the democratic. Power sharing is very spirit of democracy. A democratic rule involves sharing with those affected by the exercise and who have to live without effect. People have right to conclude on how they are governed. Legitimate government on which citizens thought. Second, with power sharing is very spirit of democracy. A democracy rule involves sharing power which affected with exercise who have lived with effect. Power have a right to conclude on how they are to be governed. A legitimate government is one which citizens thought participation acquired a stake in the system. Let us call the first set of region presidential and second moral. While a presidential region states that power shared will be bring out better outcomes, moral region emphasizes the very act power sharing as valuable. Forms of power sharing. The idea of power sharing has emerged as opposition to the nation of divided political powers. For the long time, it was believed that all powers of the government must be reside on the person or a group of person, on a person or a group of a person. Forms of power sharing. Forms of power sharing. The idea of power sharing has emerged in opposition to the nation of divided political power. For a long time, it was believed that all powers of a government must reside in one person or a group of persons located at one place. It was felt that if the power is decided to disappear, it would be not possible to take quick decisions and to enforce them. But these nations have changed with the emergency of democracy. On the basis of principle is that peoples are the source of all political powers. In a democracy, people rule through themselves through an institution of the self-government. In a good democracy, government due respect is given to the diverse group and a view that exists in society. Everyone has a voice in the shaping of public policy. Therefore, it follows that in democracy, political power should be distributed among the many citizens. The idea of power sharing has emerged in the opposition of nations divided political power. For a long time, it was believed that all powers of the government must reside in one person or a group of persons located at one place. It was felt that if the power to decide or disappears, it would not be possible to take a quick decision and to enforce them. But these nations have changed with the emergence of democracy. On the principle of democracy is that peoples are the source of all political powers. On the basis of principle of democracy is that peoples are sources of all political powers. Peoples are sources of all political powers. Peoples rule themselves through the institution of the self-government. If a good democracy, government due respect is given to diverse group and views that exist in our society. Everyone has a voice in the shaping of public policy. Therefore, if it follows that in democracy, political power should be distributed among the many citizens as possible. In modern democracy, power sharing arrangement can take many forms. Let us look at some of the most common arrangements that we have or will come across. Power is shared among different organs of the government such as legislative, executive and judiciary. Such as legislative, executive and judiciary among different organs of government. Power can be shared among the government at different levels. Different level of government, general government for entire country, government at the provided regular level such as general government for the entire country called the federal government. General level government is called the federal government. Remember that. And the third one, among the different social groups is among the different social groups is, and number 4, political parties, pressure groups or movement control and influence those in power. Power is shared among different organs of the government such as legislative, executive and judiciary. Number the power can be shared among government at a different level. General government for the entire country has government at the provincial or legislative regional level, such as general government for the entire country is usually called a federal government. In India, we refer to the central and union government. The government has a provincial to the regional level called a different name in different countries. In India, state government. Power may also be shared among the number 3 different social groups such as regional, legislative groups, community, government. In Belgium, it is good example of the arrangements. Power may also be shared among different social groups such as regional and legislative groups. Community government. Belgium is a good example of the arrangements. Power sharing arranged can be also seen in the way of political parties, pressure groups and movements. Pressure groups and movements. Pressure groups and movements. Now let us revise from the first beginning. What is power sharing and intelligent forms of powers in sharing? What is power sharing? Intelligent sharing of power among the legislative, executive is very important to the design of democracy. Next, Sri Lanka and Belgium. Belgium is a small country in Europe. Europe is smaller in area than the state of Haryana. It is bordered with the France, Netherlands, and Limburg. It has population little over 1 crore. It has population of little over only 1 crore. The composition of the country 59% speak live in a Flemish region, speak Dutch, and the 40% live in a Flemish region, speak French. 1% speak German. And in a capital city Brussels, 80% speak French and the 20% speak Dutch. The minority French speaking peoples are relatively rich and powerful. This conflicted between the Dutch speaking community who got the benefit of economic development much later. This led to the tension between Dutch speaking French speaking community in 1950 to 1960. The tension between two communities are very acute in Brussels, capital city Brussels. Now compare this with another country, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island nation, just a few kilometers southern coast of the Tamil Nadu. It is about 2 crore population, about the same as Haryana. Sri Lanka, it is a diverse population. The major social groups of Sinhala speakers 74%, 18% Tamil speakers. Then Tamil speakers are divided into 2 subgroups. Sri Lankan Tamil 13%, rest to fatherhood come from the Indian plantation workers during colonial period called Indian Tamil. They are called Indian Tamil. Sri Lankan Tamils are concentrated north and east of the country. Sri Lankan Tamils are concentrated in the north and east of the country. Most of the Sinhala speaker people are Buddhist, while most of them Tamil are Hindus. Most of the Sinhala speakers are Buddhist and most of the Buddhist people. Sri Lankan Tamils are concentrated north and east. North-east में आता था. कहाँ रहता था? North और east में. North or east. Most speakers are Buddhist. Sinhala speakers are Buddhist and Tamil speakers are Muslims, Hindus. Most of them. There are 7% Christians who are both Sinhala and Tamil. They are just this is very conflicted, and the majority of Sri Lanka in 1948 Sri Lanka got independent. As Sinhala get power in government according to their majority. The result, democratic elected government adopted a series of majoritism measures to establish Sinhala supremacy. 1956. In 1956, they pass an act. In this act, French speaking. In this act, the official language. In this act, passed Sinhala as the only official language, and give a privilege to the policy privileges in favor of Sinhala. Their application for university positions, government jobs of new constitution stipulated that the state shall protect and foster Buddhism. All the government measures come in one after the other gradually increase the feeling of the alienation. All the government measures coming one after the other gradually increase the feeling of the alienation among Sri Lankan Tamils. Major political parties by the Buddhist and other associations with cultural difference with the constitution and government policies denied them equal political rights. Accommodation in culture. Sri Lankan civil war. First, Sri Lankan Tamils are launched their parties. They are they have launched their parties to get their political rights of a Tamils as an official language for regional community secured, but they are not a, they are denied. In 1980, they wanting a nation that with Tamil states, the north in the northeast and eastern part of the Sri Lanka. This, the distribution between the two communities turned into widespread war, civil war. This is the killed main. This is the killed thousands of people. Many families were forced to leave the country. Refuse abandoned their livelihood. You have chapter 1 economics. Sri Lanka has a good economy, but development, education, health, but the civil war caused a terrible setback of the social, cultural, and economic life of the country in the 2009. Accommodation in Belgium. In 1970-1923, Belgium took a different path. They recognized the existence of regional, cultural, diversity. 1970 and 1993, they amended their constitution 4 times to work arrangement that would be enable everyone to live together with the same country. They arranged their works out different forms of a country and very innovative. There are some of the implementation in Belgium model. Constitution prescribed that the number of Dutch, French and speaking ministers shall be equal and central government. This special law required the support of majority of the members. They are giving the central government giving the power to the state government. Two regions of the country, the state government are not subordinate to the central government. Brazil has a separate government in which both the communities have the equal representation. Apart from the central and state government, there are third kind of government. They ask, they are not for the one, they are for all three communities. They are education related, language related, and cultural related issues they solve. And Brussels chosen and headquarters European Union. They may country Europe come together to form a Europe Union. Brussels has chosen as headquarters. Why power sharing is terrible? Power sharing is good because it is helped to reduce the conflict between different communities, possibilities conflict with social groups. Since the social community will lead to violence and political instability, power sharing is good way to ensure the established political order. Power sharing is very spread in democracy. A democratic rule involves sharing power with those affected as exercise who have to live with the effect. People have to right to consult on how they are to be governed. With first मतलब prejudical मतलब power sharing is good because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict with social group. Second moral is the power sharing is very spirit of democracy. A democracy rule involves sharing power with those affected by exercise and who have lived with effects. Forms of power sharing. One on the basic principle of democracy is that people are source of all political power. In democracy, people should themselves to institutions, self-government. Power share among different forms of government. Power organ of the government different among different government, different label among the different social groups is political parties, pressure groups, and movements. And I repeat it again among different form of government, among different government at different level, among the government at a different level, among different organ of government, among different social groups is the political parties, pressurized group and movements. Political parties, pressurized groups and movements. Political parties and pressurized groups and movements. Yes, completed. Thank you.